Brian, the big developments today is that the judge is allowing more DNA testing, but also the public defender's office is strongly reiterating they are overwhelmed by a serial cold case spanning 6 counties, and they are still trying for that plea deal and to settle out of court. Joseph DeAngelo looked frail as he made his court appearance this afternoon. The 74-year-old is facing 26 counts, including murder and rape, spanning the state between 1975 and 1986. The prosecution arguing because DNA is the central focus of this case and it is being compared and investigated by several counties and laboratories, more DNA samples are needed. But another big focus today is the debate of a burden on the defense. Sacramento County public defenders are providing the entire cost of the defense, and they argue they simply just don't have the resources to handle an unprecedented trial against the resources of 6 DA's offices, and they still want to settle with a plea deal.
We're being expected to prepare for a prelim. We're also trying to settle this case. I don't know who I'm supposed to talk to. I don't know if there's any point in talking to one county because maybe all the counties have to agree.
We are cooperating with each other and working as a team. In terms of how things are decided, in terms of how a particular offer would be evaluated, it is being evaluated.
It's another thing, though, to say one office, the public defender of Sacramento County, takes the burden of the entire defense and all of its costs.
And the judge did approve DNA cheek swab kits, 4 in total, and those will be taken today. Now, as for that potential plea deal, that is still being considered between both the public defender's office and the district attorney's office. However, if that gets thrown out and that trial date moves forward, the public defender's office says they are planning to file a motion to continue that May 12th trial date, arguing because of their burden, they simply won't be ready. Live in Sacramento, Vicki Gonzalez, KCRA 3 News.
Vicki, it's such a high-profile case. That's why we're following all these steps in the process. So what are the survivors and families of the victims saying?
Well, Brian, the courtroom is still full with survivors and families of the victims. And right now, after court today, it was really kind of a meaty legal procedural day. One person I spoke with said they were just more confused than ever. But when it comes to that plea deal, initially, that took a lot of them by shock. They were not prepared for that. But now they say that they're just kind of in a wait-and-see period because ultimately, if that moves forward, that's an agreement between the district attorney's office and the public defender's office.
Yeah, we'll have to see what happens with that. Okay, thanks, Vicki.